How to make money. Here are a few general ideas for making money. First, start business. This could involve selling the products or services either online or in person. You could start the traditional brick and mortar businesses, or you could launch the e-commerce store or sell products on the platform like Etsy or Amazon. Second, invest in the stock market. But if you have some capital to invest, you could consider buying and selling stocks, bonds, or other security in the stock market. This can be the risky, but with proper research and long-term investment, it can be way to make money. Third, rent out the spare room. If you have an extra room in your house or apartment that you are not using, you could consider renting it out on the platform like Airbnb. This can be the good way to make some extra money, especially if you live in area that attract a lot of tourists. Fourth option, offer your skill and services. If you have a particular skill and expertise, you could consider offering it as a service. This could involve things like tutoring, freelance writing, graphic design, or web development. Fifth option, start a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy the writing or creating content, you could consider starting the blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it through the advertising, sponsorship, or affiliated marketing. These are the many ways to make money, and the best approach for you will depend on your skill and researches. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.